guys, my name's Aislinn and this is my first video. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna try to be funny. Yeah. Or I'm gonna do like video vlog things, or do skits with my friends, or do songs or something. Like I have a whole bunch of ideas, but yeah. So videos are gonna be coming really soon, because I already have ideas and everything. So you should just like hit subscribe. I don't know where it is, but you should hit subscribe and have pride in being my first subscriber. Yeah. And if you have any ideas on what I should do, you should like comment those. I don't really sound like this in real life. My phone makes me sound weird. It either makes me sound like an 8-year-old girl or like a sickly elderly man. I'm none of those things. But yeah, that's all. So yeah, subscribe and stuff. Bye.